So today's question is check prime. So we have given a integer and check if integer is a prime or not. So to be a prime number, there is a condition that a number has only uh, two factors that are 1 and itself. So let's move to copy and see what it is. So if we talk about 3, so 3 has only two factors. What? First is 1, 2, 3 is divisible by 2, not. 3 is divisible by 3, yes. So 3 has only two factors, that is 1 and 3. So it is a prime number. If we talk about 4, so 4 is a not prime number. Why? Because 4 is divisible by 1, yes, 2, yes, 3, not 4, yes. So it has more than two factors, that is 1, 2, 3. So it is not a prime number. I implement this logic in code. See how? So first I clear the comments for convenient. So first I write base case. Base case why? Because base case is the case that I already know. And so if n equal 1, yeah, n equal 2, so simply return true. This case I already know. I start loop from I equal to, or I is less than equal to n भागे 2 I plus plus. So here I use equal sign, or I will go up to n by 2. So I will show you why I write this code. If n mod I equal 0, simply return false. Here you will be confused. If I already wrote n is equal to 2, so why I start loop from 2? So if here n in parameter n equal 2 is given, so simply our code return from here. Our code and not start our program is compiler not go here. Compiler return from here. But in case of 3, so I equal to and I is less than equal to n by 2, yeah, matlab this loop will continue. This will loop will continue, but n by 2 means 3 by 2 is equal to 1, so this loop will not work. So we will simply return true. Return true. Okay, let me compile the code. Yes, one case is passed. Okay, for input its correct output is false. Okay, because 1 is not to prime or not a composite number. So I will handle it from another false. So I think it should be right. Okay, one thing is wrong. That is, I did not remove from here. So I dry run this code on Notepad. तो फर्स्ट n इक्वल if n बराबर 1, तो our code will simply return from here. If n बराबर 2, our code will return from here. If n equal n बराबर 3, तो code our compiler comes here, and I is equal to and I is less than equal to n by 2. So 3 by 2 equal 1. So this for loop not work, and our code our compiler goes here and return true. So n is a prime number. And here I use n by 2. Why? Because a number, if I talk about 6, so 6 is completely divisible by its half, like 2 3, but it is not divisible by, it can't be divisible by 4, because if we multiply 4 into 2, so it is a more than 6. So any number that is completely divisible by till its half, so I use equal sign, because 6, if a number is 6, so 6 by 2 equal 3. So I use equal sign n by 2 यहाँ here.